students, welcome back to science class of 7th. In our previous video, we were studying the chapter weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. And today also we will be continuing the same chapter. So in our previous video, we had completed the topic adaptation found in the animals of the polar region and adaptation found in the animals of the tropical rainforest. Today we will study about the adaptation found in elephants. As we all know that elephant is a very large animal and it is one of the animal found in the tropical rainforest. It has many adaptations through which it can easily adapt to its surroundings. So let us study about it in detail. The first one is it has a trunk. Trunk means what? Sood. You have seen that elephant is having a trunk. Actually it's an elongated nose. जो ये हमारे nose होते हैं, the same way elephant का भी trunk होता है, that is like a nose, but it is elongated. ये काफी बड़ा होता है. It helps in smelling, then it helps in eating, and with the help of trunk also the elephant can take bath also. Okay, now the second one is the elephant has a tusk. You have seen that tusk यानी कि हाथी के दांत, they are 2 in number, ठीक है, and they are modified teeth. वो एक तरह से modified teeth होते हैं that helps in tearing the branches of the tree. Okay, the third one is the elephant has large ears, है ना. The elephant is having very large ears that help him to listen the slightest sound from the forest, and through which it can protect it from predator. And also when the temperature is too high, जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है, it flap its ears. आपने देखा होगा वो अपने कानों को ऐसे हिलाता है. Why? To cool down its body. It acts like a fan for the elephant. Then an elephant is very heavy, and as we all know that elephant is very heavy animal. And why it's very heavy? इसके जो legs होते हैं that was also very heavy, so that it can stabilize its body, ताकि इसके body को वो stable कर सके. Okay, so these are some adaptation found in elephant. Now we will study about the adaptations in red-eyed frog. It is also found in the tropical rainforest, and this frog lives on the tree. It does not live in water. So let us see the adaptations. The first one has sticky pads on its feet which help it to climb easily on the trees. तो अगर आप इसके पाँव देखेंगे, paws देखेंगे, तो वो sticky pads होते हैं जो उनके नीचे आपने देखा होगा अगर insects frog को, तो जो नीचे उनका हिस्सा होता है वो बहुत पैड गद्देदार होता है, and it is very sticky that help the frog to climb on the tree very easily. और उस पे grasp अपना grip बना के रखता है वो, जिससे कि वो गिर ना पाए. Then second one is have very good eyesight. These frogs have very good eyesight and they can see in night also very clearly. Then third one is big bulging eyes of frog are an adaptation. तो जो big bulging eyes हैं frog की, they are an adaptation. वो एक adaptation है क्योंकि वो बाहर की तरफ निकली होती हैं. And what does it do? जब कोई predator इनको अटैक करता है सोए हुए frog के ऊपर, तो suddenly when it open its eyes, तो इसकी red color की eyes देख के वो क्या हो जाता है, frightened हो जाता है, and the frog get time to escape from the predator. Okay, then the green color of the frog help it to hide within the green leaves of the tree. और ये frog का color green होता है through which it can hide easily itself into the green leaves of the tree from the enemies, like a camouflage. ठीक है, अपने surrounding के साथ adapt हो जाता है. So these are some adaptations found in the red-eyed frog. Okay, falcon is a colorful bird found in the tropical rainforest. ठीक है, it is very strange bird because it has very long and large beak. जो इसकी चोंच होती है ये as compared to other birds is very long and large, so that it can eat the fruit very easily. Okay, it is one of the adaptation of this bird through which it can take or get its food very easily. Okay, so now we will see the adaptations of the bird. First one, toucan has a large and long beak. As you can see in the figure, toucan is a colorful bird with colorful feathers, and it has very long and large beak through which it can reach the fruits very easily. It can reach to the unreachable fruits that are very far away, that also can be taken away by the toucan with the help of long and large beak, and it can store the extra fruit in its beak also. Then second one, the feet of the toucan are adapted for grasping the branches of the tree. If you will observe carefully the feet of the toucan bird, you will see that they are very pointed and sharp, and so that it can hold the branches very firmly. ये बहुत पतले branches पे भी easily अपना firm और grip बना के fruits तक पहुँच सकती है. Then third one has the ability to change the color of the feather in order to mix up with the surroundings, and its ability that it is very colorful. Feathers are also very colorful, so it can adapt to its surroundings with the help of camouflage very easily. Okay, now adaptations in lion-tailed macaque. See, lion-tailed macaque is a medium-sized monkey with a long tail like a lion. Why it is like a lion? Because lion is also having a tail, but it have tufts of hair at the end. उसके अगर पूंछ के हिस्से में देखेंगे तो गुच्छे जैसे है. In the same way, it is also having. That's why it is called as lion-tailed macaque. And if you will see in the figure, आप देख सकते it is having a beard, ठीक, at the face. So it is called as beard ape also, and it is found in India in the tropical rainforest of the Western Ghats. So this animal is also having some of the adaptation through which it can survive with the surrounding. The first one is a good climber and spend most of the time on the trees. So this lion-tailed macaque is a very good climber and spend most of the time on trees, because it gets most of the food item on trees like fruits, leaves, etc. So for very rarely it comes on the ground to catch some insects if it is not getting the food, and it is very good climber. It can jump from one branch to other branch very easily. Then second, has a very good eyesight which helps in leaping between the branches. So the vision or sight of this monkey is very good, through which it can see its predator also, and through which it can leap from one branch to one branch very easily, branch to branch very easily without missing the hold. Okay. Then third, it feeds mainly on fruits on the trees. As I told you, mainly it eats fruits on the trees. Very rarely it comes on the ground. Sometimes it comes on the ground when it is not getting fruits to catch the small insects as a food. So most of the time this lion-tailed macaque spend its time on the trees. Monkeys are the herbivores that are found in the forest. Okay, so we can commonly see the monkeys in the zoo. Okay, so now we will see the adaptations of monkeys to the surrounding. The first one is monkeys are expert climbers. We all know that monkey is an expert climber. हमारे घर के छतों तक ये पहुंच जाता है. So it can jump from one place to another very easily, and it can climb very easily. Okay. Then second, monkeys have very good eyesight. The eyesight or vision of monkey is very good, through which it can see its predators and protect himself and keep itself safe, and as well as it can leap from one branch to another branch with the help of good vision. Okay. Then third, monkeys have long and strong gripping tails which they use for grasping branches of trees. है ना, अगर आप फिगर में देखेंगे तो monkey is having a very long and strong tail through which It makes it grasp. Grasp means hold. Branches पे अपनी hold पकड़ बना के रखता है so that it should not fall on the ground. Okay. So these are some adaptations. And fourth one is, in the rainforest habitat, monkeys eat fruits, seeds, leaves, roots and insects as food. ठीक है. So we all know that it mostly eat plant things, but sometimes when it is not getting food, it eat insects also, and it is mainly found in the tropical rainforest of the India. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Now our chapter is completed. I have covered all the topics and I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Okay. So today what we have learned? We have learned in this chapter that what is weather, then what is climate, difference between weather and climate, the factors affecting the weather, the factors affecting the climate of a place, then minimum and maximum temperature, ठीक है, then adaptation of animals in the polar region such as polar bear and penguins, and adaptation of animals in the tropical rainforest such as monkeys, toucan, elephant, big cats, ठीक है, large-eyed frog, etc. Okay, so this is your homework. The first question is, how are monkeys adapted to live on trees? The second question is, what is the other name of lion-tailed macaque? Then third is, state two adaptations in toucan. Then fourth one is, what are tusks? And the fifth one is, why do elephants flap their large ears? Okay, so in our upcoming video, we will be discussing the exercises of the chapter. ठीक है? So children, go through the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly so that in our upcoming video, we can discuss the question answer and it will be very easy for you to find out the answers. Okay? Thank you and have a great day.